I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by building the base so you can iterate quickly. Create a Notion page and add a database table. This becomes your task hub. Then add essential properties, status, due date, priority, and tags so you can filter and sort. Once done, create at least 2 templates, a single-step quick capture and a multi-step project template to speed input. This initial structure lets you test workflows immediately and prevents redesign later. Now you build the operational layer to make the system usable every day. Create focused views like Today, Upcoming, and Backlog. Add a Kanban grouped by status for visual flow. Make filters and sort sensible. Today filters by due date equals today, Upcoming shows next 7 days, so you only see what matters. Once those views exist, add reminders, recurring task templates, and formula properties to compute priority or aging. To finish, establish a weekly review and a review template so you maintain the system. Walk through your templates, relations, and roll-ups and polish naming and property types to ensure consistency. This makes automation reliable. Once polished, add a final Kanban or calendar export for external sharing. If something breaks, first refresh filters and confirm property types match expectations, then inspect formulas for type mismatches. That single troubleshooting step resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.